if you have issues with Wi-Fi not working properly on the Motorola Signature, here's what you can do in order to try to solve this issue. So first of all, we're gonna go to settings, and then over here in settings, we're gonna proceed to network and internet, and then we're gonna go to Wi-Fi. Now, the first thing that we can do is we can simply turn off and turn Wi-Fi back on. Just a simple turn off and turn on. Sometimes it can be quite helpful and it can actually solve some issues. Besides that, what you can also do is you can use this button over here in the upper right corner, this circle with with an arrow. So you can tap over here in order to reset our internet. This can be quite helpful as well. In case you have entered, for example, an incorrect password and you want to update it, most of the time you can just simply tap on the network in order to change that. And in some other cases, you might need to actually scroll all the way down. Then we can go to Saved Networks. Then over here we can choose the network for which we want to change the password. And then here in the upper right corner we have this pen. This allows you to change the password in here. If you get, for example, disconnected quite often and your phone does not reconnect to the network, you might need to go to the settings again of the network and then scroll down a little bit in order to find auto connect option, which of course you want to make sure that it is on. And besides that, we can actually scroll down in order to find network preferences, where we have some couple of things that you might consider, like for example turn on Wi-Fi automatically, which some people might think is also an issue, so you can manage it in here. And besides that, I don't think there's anything that would cause some issues with the network. And last but not least, what you can also do is you can go back to the settings in here. We're gonna actually scroll down and let's go to System, then go to Reset Options, and over here we can reset the Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Unfortunately, you cannot separate these two things, so once you reset these settings, you will not only reset Wi-Fi settings and therefore lose Wi-Fi networks, but also you will lose all the pairs or pairings that you had with your Bluetooth devices. So you will have to reconnect and pair your Bluetooth devices as well. But still, once you do that, if you decide to reset these settings, you want to go back to the Wi-Fi settings and of course reconnect to your network. And also, if needed, you might also just forget the network completely. So if you are connected to a network, or if you have it saved but you cannot reconnect, you can either go to the settings again and you have the forget option in here, or you will need to press and hold your finger in order to find the forget option, and then just try to connect to your Wi-Fi again. Actually, there's one more thing that I want to mention, and that is you might want to check if you have issues with the Wi-Fi itself rather than with Wi-Fi on your phone. What I mean is that if you have another device that uses Wi-Fi, check if the same Wi-Fi network works correctly on that other device. If you also have issues with the Wi-Fi on that other device, then of course this might be a hint that you have issues with the Wi-Fi itself. So you might want to deal with that instead of settings on your phone. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.